Hi, my name is Charlene Ware, and I'm a registered dietitian with the Culinary Medicine Department at SIU. I want to talk to you today about using your Instant Pot. You know, a lot of us got Instant Pots for Christmas or birthday or whatever, and then they sit on our closet. But I want you to drag that thing out and use it again because it can be your best friend in the kitchen. It literally takes half the time of using any other appliance that you have. Now mine happens to have a lot more buttons. It has slow cook or air fryer, all different kinds of things you can do. But the nice thing about it, and you can hear it beeping now because I've got oatmeal in there. I did the steel cut, the traditional oatmeal, which can cook in just as much time as the instant oatmeal, but of course the steel cut's a whole lot better for you. You can get your whole grains in. You can do quinoa. You can do the brown rice, and I'm gonna let the steam out of that. That's the next thing you do after you set it up. You're just gonna let that steam, and the key is to make sure you get every bit of steam out or it won't let you open the lid. Tell me how I know that. It's because I did it and it wouldn't open the lid. Once you get all the steam out, then you can have your oatmeal that day. It's ready to go. You can do your quinoa and you can prepare it for the week so that you can add it to your salads or whatever else you want to do. So this takes just a little bit of time. You can hear that it's still getting that steam out. That pressure is being released, and then you're going to open the lid and you've got your oatmeal ready. I've got fresh apples you can put in it. I've got some pecans that you can put with it, or maybe you like fresh blueberries or bananas, whatever you want to make a healthy breakfast, because getting those whole grains in with the fiber is what we want to do. So it's ready to go. I'm going to just slide it over, open it up, and dish out my oatmeal for my family, and it's just perfect. So here you go. Have your oatmeal today, a healthy breakfast, and enjoy.